Good morning, children. Let us learn about comparison, chapter 6. Let me explain the about comparison. Some adjectives help us compare two things and say how they differ from each other. These adjectives generally end with er. For example, Devi is taller than Rohan. Here, taller is the adjective, end with er. The snake is longer than the worm. Here adjectives longer, end with ear. Complete the sentences with suitable adjectives. Smaller, shorter, longer, older. The man is older than the boy. Older is the adjective, end with ear. A chair is smaller than a bed. Smaller is adjective, end with ear. Yamini is shorter than her brother. Shorter is adjective, end with ear. A rabbit has longer ears than a cat. Longer is adjective, end with ear. Some adjectives help us compare more than two things. These adjectives generally end with est and always use the articles the before them. For example, Ravi is taller than Rohit. Agil is the tallest. Here tallest is the adjectives end with the est. Before tallest we are using the article the. Choose suitable adjectives from the bracket. Page 24. Deepest, longest, coldest, cleverest, shortest and fastest. Yesterday was the coldest day of this winter. Here coldest is the adjective, end with the est. Before coldest we use article the. Don't swim in the deepest part of the pool. Here deepest is the adjective, end with est. Before deepest we use the article the. The cleverest boy will win the quiz. Cleverest is the adjective, end with est. Before cleverest we use the. The fastest girl won the race. Fastest is the adjective, end with est. Before fastest we written the. Pick up the longest pencil from the bunch. Longest is articles, end with longest is the adjective, end with est. Before longest we use article the. I took the shortest jump. Shortest is the adjective, end with est. Before shortest we used the. Homework. Write the given exercises in your homework book and learn it. Thank you.